Let's trace the letter P. Ready? Down, back to the top, and around. Oh no, something's broken. Let's fix it. He says pa pa pa. When something is broken, we help. Let's solve problems together. Say it with me. Pa pa pa. We can fix it. Oh no, the puzzle is mixed up. What should we do? Let's put them together. Great problem solving. Oh, someone needs help. Uh-oh. Which is safe? Let's think. Yes, that's the safest path. When you're unsure, you stop problem saying, let's fix our letter. Down and around. We fixed it. Down loop P.
Quick, what did we fix or help? Puzzle, penguin, letter P. That's P. P is for problem solving. Huh, perfect solutions. See you next time.